Hi guys, in this video, I will explain you on SuperStore Sales data. In previous video, we only explain in very short time because of some reasons. So now in this video, I will explain you. First of all, I want to tell you the main reason of this data set, how we increase sales of that company and analyze what is customer behavior, how profits vary according to different location and categories. So now in this video, I will explain all and I also ensure that in this video you can learn better than your one semester learnings. So guys, you focus on this video and after completing this video, tell me what you learned and this is my first explanation video guys. So you can support me. First of all, we load data set and after that we analyze data, clean data. Here pandas is used for data manipulation, data cleaning process, data visualization, and also for date time format. You can see this is done by pandas because it makes data into table or frame. You can see after that I import numpy. NumPy used for mathematical calculation or multi-dimensional array. After that, I import seaborn. It is used for visualization. After that, I uploaded matplotlib. This is used for also visualization. After that, I imported warning. This is for ignoring warning. Category equal to user warning is showing when warning occurs by user, then it will neglected by these functions filter warnings. Here you can see guys, I am uploading clean superstore.csv dataset. Here read CSV is a pandas function. I am uploading this dataset by using pd.readcsv cleaned superstore.csv in inverted. Here I use df.head. This is for seeing first five datasets. When we want to see first five datasets, then we use df.head. df.info. This is used for checking information part of dataset. Here we see all values are in correct format or not. Here you can see guys, order date is not in correct format and ship date also in not correct format. After that we check all data types in correct format or not. Here you can see this is not in correct data types format. It tell total size means this tell what is the how many row numbers in this data set. So guys, df.size is telling us how many total cells in data set. Here you can see data frame shape 9,994 row and 21 columns. df.describe is used for descriptional statistics. Means here we can know about the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum value, top 25% value, 50% values, 25% value, max number. In row number, we can see that maximum number is 9,994. 75th% value is 7495. Minimum value is 1. Standard deviation is this value. You can see so you can see cells count value is 9,994. Quantity here, discount value, profit value. You can see guys in all different columns have different value according to data sets. Data cleaning and pre-processing, checking for missing or abnormal value. Here we check missing value present or not. If present, then after that we clean data and pre-processing. Also check missing value present or not. Here you can see df dot is null dot sum. This is telling any column have a null value. Then I can make total sum of that null value. You can see 000 means here there is no any null value. Df dot duplicated dot sum. Here we check if duplicated value is present. Then it show any number. If not, then show it's zero. I told you before that date column is not in correct format. Here I am changing date order date into correct date format. We use pretty dot pandas dot to date time. Here you can see I am using column name with data frame and error equal to wires. Wires used for handling any invalid situation, and it also helps to being crash. Here ship date is also in not correct format. So I am changing in correct format. You can see also after that postal code not in string format. We are changing postal code into string format. AS type is used for changing in string. Cleaned SuperStore Sales dataset. I am changing this again into CSV with cleaned format.